husband yesterday surprised us with these beautiful clams. And we're gonna make spaghetti alle vongole. Over here, I'm gonna show you where they've been able to purge in this water. I don't know if you see the sand down below. And we've done that a few times to make sure that they're clean inside. Very important that the clams get purged in water that is salted, and it has to be salt that is not iodized. It has to be sea salt. What we will need is some fresh Italian flat leaf parsley, thinly sliced garlic, peperoncino, some cayenne pepper, white wine, salt, and we're going to use the spaghetti by Barilla. We're going to take out l'anima dell'aglio, that's what they call it in Italy. It's the soul of the garlic. They say that it's not very digestible. And again, we're gonna slice it really thinly. I'm gonna move this over, and we're also gonna chop up the prezzemolo, the parsley. And did you know that the stems are actually really wonderful? If you cut them really thinly, they have kind of like a sweet flavor to it that is very good. So right now I'm just gonna cut them like this, and then with the mezzaluna chop it up even finer. So this I'm gonna set aside, and here we go. We're gonna get these stems really nice and thinly cut. And now we're just gonna chop the rest of the parsley. Doesn't need to be as thin. Here we have everything prepped, and this dish is going to come together very quickly. Today we're going to use the pizza e cucina, where the fire is below, and above we have the pan already heating up. The heat needs to be nice and strong to get the vongole done. The water is boiling, it's salted, and the spaghetti are going in. We're just going to make sure that they don't stick to each other. Give it a quick stir. And we're gonna take these out a few minutes shy of what the box says. They need to be very much al dente because we're gonna finish cooking them with the clams. Our pan is nice and hot. We're gonna put un bel giro d'olio, a nice drizzle of olive oil in here. Put the garlic and the cayenne pepper in as well. A little bit of the parsley. And now immediately we're going to put the clams in. Close it up. And quickly pour a bit of wine in and allow them to steam. Just about 3 minutes have gone by, and our vongole have opened up, and now we're going to put the spaghetti right into it. And these spaghetti are very much al dente still, and they're just going to finish cooking in the reduction and the beautiful sea water that has come out of them. We're going to add a bit of fresh parsley, and then give it a nice quick toss. And look at how gorgeous this plate looks. Now some will actually take the shells out. We love to be able to leave them in. And we are ready to serve our dish, spaghetti alle vongole. We are ready to get some of the spaghetti, and the way we're going to plate it is just by rolling it up like this and placing it right in here in the plate. And then around it, we are going to put some of these beautiful clams. Look at how beautiful this looks. And then I'll get a little bit of the fruit of the clam and put it right on there. Also, we're going to drizzle everything with a generous amount of olive oil and just a bit of an extra sprinkle of fresh parsley. And here we have a beautiful plate of spaghetti alle vongole. I'm gonna be the first one that gets to taste it. Buon appetito!